속 내가 네게 물어와 어떻게 된 거니 정말 이별인 거니 평행선처럼 좁혀지지 않던 우리 두 사람 어쩔 순 없잖아 더는 서로
How's it going, guys? Vinyl Vixen, Slim Shetty, and of course Thresh here at Wrapsesh. This week we are showcasing a custom business wrap design. Yeah, a business wrap. You guys know I'm all about space cadetting and I love doing super colorful custom jobs, specifically Galaxy.
Galaxy's cool.
So cool. So this was a return client, Brian, who's done several wraps for me now. We did this wrap for Brian. He's starting his own business. It's called Kinetic Details. So he does coatings, detailing things, stuff. And they got their first vehicle, which is like a Ford Transit van.
Yeah, a smaller one.
So he wanted to make an out of this world wrap design. So what better way to do that than doing a Galaxy printed wrap, of course, so we actually did a really pretty metallic base print using Avery Dennison films on our Mutoh 1682 SR Eco-Solvent Printer. And what was really neat was we actually used like
real
Galaxy photos from
NASA.
From the Huble telescope?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah. So there's some real space in there. It's really, really pretty, lots of interesting colors. And then we also had some Oracle 5650RA reflective accents. Like on the logos, the
letters,
website.
all the numbers.
All the important numbers.
So people can see it at night.
Yep.
Yeah.
So super fun install for us, really easy, really cool design here in-house. Check it out, we hope you enjoy.
Can't find a time where I can tell ya what I feel now. Been biting my tongue for a while. The words just wanna come out. I'm too afraid to be rejected. It's so expected. I feel like I'm out of my mind, but I know I can't deny you. I am so alienated. Sitting on planet X. I'm becoming the person I've hated. Wonder what will happen next. Yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charge around us that just feels right. Can't get my head around it. I can never hit the brakes. Every time you touch me, babe, you send me right out into space. You send me right out into space. Right into space. I'm not the kind of person who is sentimental, but this thing is making me soft, giving into my damn heart. It feels like I am losing my grip, going crazy, 'cause this doesn't make any sense. You're broken down all my defenses. No way back to the old me. When I'm stuck here on planet X, I'll become the person I've hated. Wonder what will happen next. Yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charge around us that just feels right. Can't get my head around it. I can never hit the brakes. Every time you touch me, babe, you send me right out into space. You send me right out into space. Right into space. My head tells me to stop, but there is nothing I can do. No. When I'm with you, I lose myself. I feel good. Oh, yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charge around
Thank you guys so much for watching our episode this week. We hope you enjoyed our out of this world Kinetic Details custom business wrap. If you guys want us to wrap your vehicles or help you brand your business, we can do decals, banners, storefronts, wraps, fleet wraps, you name it. We do the things with the sticky stuff.
We do all things graphics.
All things and stuff.
For the most part.
Mostly all things. Yes. Reach out to us at wrapseshaz@gmail.com. If you want to keep up with us on our daily fun, you can find us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikToks at Vinyl Vixen Wraps and Wrapsesh AZ. And please, please, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you dig the Wrapsesh vibe. And we'll see you next week.